Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. I wanna ask, like, what is it about Mangwabe's kememe? Yeah? Because when they went out on a trip, the second to last episode, when they went out on a trip, remember Mangwabe was supposed to have her night with Musa, and there was some sort of miscommunication there, which Musa doesn't believe. He believes that Mangwabe did not come to his room on purpose, and she did not play her wifely duties on purpose because she just didn't want to. And then the next day, remember, Tobile decided to excuse herself and give her day back to Mangwabe or to Mangwabe so that Mangwabe can, make up for the previous day. But Mangwabe still didn't show up. There was still another sort of miscommunication. And I'd expect that Musa would have said, okay, because Mangwabe didn't come, okay, to be like come back or something like that. But he was like on and on and on about Mbali's kememe. I'm like, sir, is there something we don't know? And then also on the latest episode, while they're on the dates, when the date's about to end, again, the conversation about Mbali's kememe comes up again. And I'm just like, this man, there must be something about Mbali. Let's just say there must be something about Mbali that keeps this man complaining so much. I mean, he's a polygamist, like you'd swear that he doesn't have time to be complaining about such thing because he has so many wives on top of that girlfriends, but he's always crying about Mbali not giving him his stuff. And I'm just like, Mbali, ma'am, And I remember, guys, I think last season or 2 seasons back, Musa said that there's a wife that when she's angry, she goes to bed with tights on. And he's like, no, it's wrong. You know how he speaks? He said, no, it's wrong for a wife to go to sleep with tights on because that's obviously an indication that she doesn't wanna, she's not willing to give it up. She doesn't want to be touched. Hence, she's wearing tights. Culturally, like it's just taught that as a woman you don't go to sleep with any undergarments because you must forever be ready for when you must forever be ready for your husband. But Mbali seems to not abide to those rules. She is not about that business. If she's not okay, she's not okay. But I think there's something about Musa, and I think maybe that's why he's always agitated. Not always, but sometimes it's like he's over agitated in Mbali, and I'm like for what? Maybe it's because like Mbali doesn't wish as him, and Mbali doesn't give him enough. That's why he gets, a bit agitated because that's the one he wants. And then when they're on good terms, like they're really, really on good terms. So I'm just like, Mbali, ma'am, like, do you want to give us ladies, do you want to give us ladies the secret of what's going on there? Because Musa just can't seem to get enough. Anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you on the next one.